We are here today to celebrate the grand opening of the Regional Transportation Training Center at Georgia Piedmont.
Do you believe in technical education? Belief is the quiet confidence that says this is worth building, even before the doors open. Today it is more than a ribbon cutting. This Regional Transportation Center, it represents workforce development.
This moment, to me, represents the really best of what government is all about.
You are at the intersection of education and economics.
To our students, this space was built for you. Whether you're moving goods or building infrastructure or powering communities, you are shaping what comes next.
When people come together for the good, things change. Over 90% of the students have access to employment.
Let us keep in mind both our current and future learners, those whose journeys toward purpose and opportunity will begin here.
Do you believe in the power of technical education? We're just beginning.